Hello everyone! Today I'm so excited. We're making this slow cooker vegan pulled pork and it comes out so good. You guys are going to love it, so let's get started. We're going to start by just throwing everything in the slow cooker. So we're using soy curls for this recipe to make it super simple, super easy. I was going to go and make a homemade seitan, but I figured soy curls are just an easier way to do this. Then we're going to add in water. We have some barbecue sauce. I'm just using one from Kraft. Just always check and make sure that there's no honey or anything. I like this one and I like the Sweet Baby Ray's one. Then we're going to add in some low sodium soy sauce. Of course, we're going to add in some organic brown sugar, and then we're going to add in a bunch of seasonings. We have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a little cinnamon. I don't add in any salt just because barbecue sauce usually has enough salt, and between the soy sauce too, so if you want to add in salt, you definitely can. Mix it all up, and we're just going to cook it on high for 55 minutes. This is going to allow the soy curls to get rehydrated and just start the cooking process. Again, so easy, literally takes 5 minutes to throw everything in that slow cooker. If you don't have a slow cooker, you need one. They're the best, especially in summer times. You don't have to turn the oven on. So here they are after cooking for 55 minutes. They're super soft and rehydrated. At this point now, everything is ready to be shredded up. Now, soy curls are not like a big piece of something. Obviously, they're harder to shred. And at first I tried to shred them by fork when I first was testing this recipe out, but it's very tedious. It's possible, but it's tedious. You're going to be there a while, and the soy curls, even the biggest parts of them, are not that big. So we're going to make things super easy, and we're actually just going to throw it right into the food processor. So you can see the result is good, but it's going to take a while to get all that done. So we're going to throw it into the food processor instead, because we'll just pulse it a few times and it'll do what it's supposed to do and creates that shredded effect. Seriously though, only pulsing it a few times for like 5 to 10 seconds, because you don't want to over pulse this and turn it into more like ground up wetness. You want it just to be shredded. It'll look something like this. So just a few times of pulsing it. Put it back into the crock pot, and then we're going to cook this again on low for an hour and 30 minutes. This is going to help the soy curls to now get all that flavor that's in there, and some of them even get a little bit crispy. And then look at them when they're all done. Doesn't that look so good? I love the little burnt pieces that form in there. I'm going to show you some right here. Delicious. And that's it. Now you're all done, and you can really do whatever you want with this. I think it looks so good, and it was amazing. I used it in salads, I used it in a wrap, I used it on a pizza. Like, they're so versatile. You can use them for so many things. And if you've never used soy curls before, I definitely recommend making them something you put into your cooking repertoire. They're so easy to work with. They're great because they're just dehydrated soy pieces. You can just keep them around all the time. So I decided to just make like a tiny little sandwich just for some pictures and something fun to eat. So I added my vegan pulled pork. I did a little extra barbecue sauce on there and some pickled red onions. Super easy. And this is just like such a summer staple. They're so easy to make. If you need alternate cooking instructions and directions, be sure to check out the blog post. Everything is linked out down below, and I write all the ingredients. And yeah, if you didn't see these strawberry recipes, go check them out. I'll have it linked up above, and I'll see you next week with another summer recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.